In 1942, over 80 years ago, the Central Columbia School Board voted to approve a school-based agriculture education program. Since then, over 400 plus Keystone degree recipients have gone through the program, along with 9 state officers and an average of 167 students in the program every year. The program is led by Mr. Doug Brown and Mrs. Christy Good. Mr. Doug Brown is in his 32nd year teaching, all at Central Columbia, while Mrs. Christy Good is in her 11th year of teaching. This will be her third at Central Columbia. In 2015, renovations occurred that led to a new ag facility at Central Columbia. The renovations resulted in 2 general classrooms, 1 environmental science classroom, 1 greenhouse, a full-size wood and a full-size metal shop, 1 food and meat science lab, 1 animal science lab, a plant science lab, and then also an electricity and small gas engines lab. The program at Central Columbia focuses on ag sciences, environmental science, and ag mechanization. Courses offered include Ag Science 1, 2, 3, and 4, Environmental Science, Forestry and Wildlife Sciences, and a Land Surveying course. Some of the units that I will be teaching while I'm student teaching there include arc welding, MIG, TIG, and plasma cutting, woodworking, animal welfare, food science, safe tractor operation, ATV safety, small gas engines, and a few more. The FFA program at Central Columbia is also going strong, being led by Rebecca Lehman as president and her 10 supporting offices, Katie Dingle as vice president, Kylie Kingston as treasurer, Emma Yoder as secretary, Alina Shannon as chaplain, Brooke Kelty as reporter, Caitlin Church as sentinel, Brent Sokol as the student advisor, Peyton Crawford as a parliamentarian, Maggie Feigel as junior officer, and Rosalina Robustelli as the historian. Boy, does it get any more American than that? You don't have to answer that question. We know the answer. Students within the FFA chapter get to compete in events such as Prepare Public Speaking, Parliamentary Procedure, Creed Speaking, and Forestry, along with many others as well. The key fundraisers for the FFA are 2 sales, one being a citrus and beef jerky sale, and another being a maple products sale done throughout the year. Some key events that the FFA program focuses on are the Bloomsburg Fair, the State Farm Show, State Activities Week at PSU, and National FFA Convention in Indianapolis. Every student that comes through Central Columbia's Ag Ed program will complete at least a foundational SAE that is integrated into the Ag courses curriculum that they'll be taking. On top of that, many students choose to go above and beyond and partake in employment SAEs, whether it's at Agway or Bonson Farms, which are all local places in the community. The Ag program at Central Columbia also has an occupational advisory committee that contains 18 members, some members being from universities, others being from industry professionals within the community here in Bloomsburg. All of this to say, I am very excited to have the opportunity to student teach with both Mr. Brown and Mrs. Good at Central Columbia High School and can't wait to get started in late March. Every single student that comes through the Ag program will at least start with a foundational SAE project that they will complete. Why did I throw my goddamn pen? Some of the units that I will get to teach include welding, woodworking, animal welfare, food science, safe tractor. You can't make this shit up.